Hi, friends!
Pilley's Island is a small town located on the island of the same name in Newfoundland and Labrador. This place has a rich history. Long ago, it was frequented by the Dorset Eskimo and the Beothuk. The first European settlement began in 1887 when a pyrite mine opened here. One of the early settlers, Richard Rideout, is buried on the island. The pyrite mine really put Pilley's Island on the map. By 1891, the population grew to 411 people. This mine was special because it was the first in Newfoundland to have electric lights. Pilley's Island became a major employment hub with a hotel, courthouse, and many other facilities. It wasn't just a center for the town's residents, but also for much of the western Notre Dame Bay Area. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Pilley's Island, Newfoundland.
Very much.
Thanks for watching!